Pocatello. Moved up to Hamer here this morning. Rodney's been up here for a couple of days now with his combine, and I've moved my combine up here, and Reagan brought a grain cart up, and yeah, so we're here up here in Hamer, cutting some gorgeous wheat. There's Rodney there ahead of me, and it is just beautiful cut. And you're probably wondering why we're only doing 3/4 of a header. Well, just to help with the spread pattern for this farmer, he wants to have the straw spreaded evenly. So he wanted us to cut 32 foot. That's why it's a little different. But yeah. There's Reagan in the grain cart. She's driving a 2021 Case IH 280. It's a pretty nice looking tractor. Got the new cab design and everything, so it's pretty sharp looking. Excited for her. It's a beautiful day. It's not smoky for once. Previously, it was pretty smoky down at Pocatello. Up here in Hamer, it's pretty clear. Oh, Chinese for supper, made by Reagan. Doing a little bit of a change up today. Stopped cutting wheat and I started cutting barley. Everyone else is over there cutting wheat at another job, and I took Eric's combine. We got it started and I came over and took it over for him, and yeah, we're cutting some good barley here.